My stripes show like regiments, military intelligence, murder game. I leave no evidence, credentials. Go ask my preschool, even talk to my old principal. He tell you how I used to pack a #2 pencil, stabbing students, grabbing teachers, Catholics, preachers in the school staircase, cutting class, passing my reefer, MO class. Operation Return. They tried to say I was incompetent, not able to learn. The table turned now. Got my own label I earn, like the nigga said in Dead Presidents. Money to burn, Queensbridge, pay homage, respect. Nas is a vet, acknowledge the rap. Pilots, baguettes, niggas is this and that. I'm just the best, putting all balance to rest. Between Latin kings and blood, La Sangres. Blood is Spanish, so many thugs vanish. Unite the system, the fight within the street wisdom. To help teach a prison.
My crew puff lie, anyone test the pun must die. Just give me one try, now you know you done fucked up, right? Ha, you ain't got no wins in me casa. Get that pasa, you ain't even in my class. I hate an actor that plays a rapper. I'm Trevor Squad, Beta Kappa, everybody's favorite rapper. Grand Imperial, college material, insane criminal. The same nigga who known to blow out your brain mineral. I rain subliminal inside your visual. Try to supply your physical with my spiritual side of us lyrical. I'll appear in your dreams like Freddy do, no kidding you. Even if I stuttered, I would still shit on you. Soon as I chitter chatter, the shit is shatter. I'm the kid out of the Bronx that'll stomp you to death like it didn't matter. I'm even better than before. Illa metaphors, killers bet it all on one verse, dead or John Blaze.
John Blaze, John Blaze, Johnny Blaze, ain't a damn thing changed.
Hey yo, my attitude is subject to change. I mess around and spit 12 at the driver's side door of your range. 6 hit you, the other 6 up in your name. Mafia style, leave you with your watch and your chain. So take heed that not only can I flow, I can aim. Cause y'all misdemeanor niggas can't stand the rain. Better believe that whenever I see y'all, I'ma test ya. Only cause I know the fact that you respect pressure. Hardcore like shit you get kicked out with y'all for. Kiss ain't the cops, but I lock niggas up. You can meet me in my cell, I soap and sock niggas up. Far as the flow go, you can let your dough show. Put your money on the table, we can battle on cable. Y'all hot dog niggas get Nathans. Fuck around with Jason, that shorty from the locks, John Blaze.
My son, cool out, don't beef, yo, throw the tool out. Let's run these niggas, kidnap, they work, make them move out. Crushed hash, hands is like glass, keep the heat in the dash. Did some dirt for some work, caught a gas. The flicker rocker, wicked sneaker rocker, footwear. Strike me out, guard, stacking up joints, rack them like Foot Locker. This is raw, raw like fuck, kid, represent here the Crenshaw. Hold my word stronger than the Benz store, relentless. The anthology, consolidated with the quickness. Dress up in the wig and blouse, killing sickness. Lex imagination, large go cards. Beat the bonus squad, brains that connect, put on the older guard. Specialist, iciclist, war rage, collar, feeling the rich. Work for $8, don't snitch. That's why broke niggas who got hard guards, sign them up, start the wind up. We John Blaze and Donner in the lineup.
John Blaze, John Blaze, John Blaze, Johnny Blaze, ain't a damn thing changed.
It's simple mathematics, you gotta love us. Cause yo, we crack plus gad equals a lot of dead motherfuckers. Just when you thought I was done, I recruited pun.